Hello everyone, welcome to Skillweb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to edit a Google prompt. So let's get into the video. Begin by opening Google Prompts. Locate the prompt you want to edit and click on it to open the prompt. To edit question, simply click on the question you want to modify. You can change the question text, options and even the type of question. If you want to add a new question, click on the plus button to insert a new one. Go for Settings tab. Here you can customize various aspects like limiting response or collecting email address. Click on the color palette icon to change the appearance of your prompt. So that's how you can easily edit your prompt as needed. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.